Good morning, good afternoon, very good evening, my dear students. This is Virendra Manu from Virendra Moore from Unique Concept Classes, Jaunpur. So, students, I have given you number of chapters from CBSE class 9 to 12. In the series of that, I am going to provide you the next chapter of CBSE English class 12 Vistas, chapter number 1 by Kaliki. In these chapters, I would like to aware you the character's name of the chapter, a 10 days old boy named Jilani Jang Bahadur, and astrologers, Diwan and British officer. Places that are mentioned in this chapter: Pratibandhapuram and People Park, Chennai. So, students, in this chapter, I would like to explain you that the story starts from Pratibandhapuram. There was a child who was only 10 days old, born in a royal family, and when he was born in royal family, the child, according to the custom of the royal family, the parent of the child invited to astrologers or the fortune teller. When they invited to the astrologer and fortune teller, they came and washed the hands of the child and they predicted the fortune of the child. Whatever they predicted, they said that this child, after growing up, this child will be the king of kings and the hero of heroes. But this child had to die one day. After listening this, there happened a miracle in their society. A 10 days old child, he started to ask that you told right, who is born in this world have to die one day. But okay, oh astrologer, tell me what will be the reason of mine, how will I die? So the astrologer told, you are born in horse and bull, horoscope like Rasi, and so horse and bulls are the enemy of each other. You will die by a tiger. So after predicting this, astrologers returned at their home. The story proceeded 20 years. After 20 years, the child named Jilani Jang Bahadur, he became the king of his kingdom of Pratibandhapuram. When he became the king of his kingdom, according to the prediction of the astrologers, the king started to hunt in his kingdom. By he started to hunt tigers in his kingdom, and he announced in his kingdom, nobody will dare to hunt tigers in this kingdom. If anyone dared, their all properties will be captured. Now, at the same time, there was a British officer. He was more powerful than the king. So, a British officer sent to a man of him, and he came closer to the king and asked that my officer wants to hunt in your kingdom. So the king fell in dilemma. He thought that the British officer is too powerful. He said to his men, you go and say to your officer, he come in my kingdom and hunt of all animals except the tigers. The man went back, but king was worried now to lose his kingdom because the British officer was more powerful than the king. He invited the king, called to a jeweler, and he ordered to the jeweler for creating 50 precious rings made for diamond. So after creating rings, and the price of that rings were 3 lakh at the time. So that was much price. Even he also gave it to the wife of the British officer. Anyhow, the king secured his kingdom. Now the king started to hunt in his kingdom and hunted first tiger in his kingdom. And when he hunted first tiger in his kingdom, he invited to the astrologer and said, I hunted one tiger in the kingdom, in my kingdom, but nothing happened with me. The astrologer said, O king, I didn't say that you will die by first tiger. I told you that you will die by hundredth tiger. So the king told, if I will kill hundredth tiger, then what you do? The astrologers told, if it happen, I will tear my astrology book, keep it and burn it with fire, and I will give up to the work of astrology. Now, the astrologers returned out from there, and king started to hunt in his kingdom. He hunted 70 tigers in his kingdom, but now in the kingdom of the king, not a single tiger remained. So the king called to his divan and said to divan that you need to search a girl that belongs from a royal family. I would like to marry with that girl. So the divan went and searched a girl that belongs from a royal family. Now the king got married. When the king got married, whenever the king used to go in his father-in-law's home, at father-in-law's home, he hunted there 3 to 5 tigers at a time. Like this, continuously the king hunted 99 tigers, but in the kingdom of his father-in-law, not a single tiger remained. Again the king called to Divan, and Divan at the time reminded this, that the king is in temper, he is too furious. He understood that there did not remain any tiger in the kingdom of his father-in-law. So the Divan went to Chennai, People Park in Chennai, and he carried a tiger from there and left it to the kingdom of his father-in-law, and he invited to the king. The king went there and hunted that tiger. When he saw the tiger fell on the ground, and the king returned in his kingdom. And he announced in his kingdom that he has completed his ambition and target, whatever predicted by the astrologers, that he fulfilled and achieved his goal. But nothing happened with the king. After that, the divan went and the hunter went closer to the tiger and checked this, that the tiger is alive or not. They found tiger was alive. The divan thought that if he will tell it or inform it to the king is in temper and he can punish us. So divan ordered to the hunter and said that you need to shoot it. He shot the tiger and the tiger died. Now some time passed. At this time it was the time for the birthday of the king's son. So the king purchased the wooden tiger from the market, and the surface of the wooden tiger was rough. So the king's son said to his father that, father, let's come and play with me. The king and his son was playing with wooden tiger, and while the king was playing with wooden tigers, the surface of the wooden tiger was rough. So it pierced, made a hole into the hand of the king as slivers, like a spas. So it infected the entire body of the king, and the king invited to the doctors. The group of doctors came. They treated to the doctors, operated, and they operated successfully and said operation was successful, but unfortunately we are unable to save the life of the king, and the king was died. So according to the prediction of the astrologers, the king died by 100th tiger. So This chapter was given as a title, The Tiger King, because the king died by 100th tiger. So that's all about the chapter, and I hope that you will get it very well. If you have any doubt, any problem related to this, so you can comment me. I will personally handle your comment. So thank you for all this. And one more important information, my new English concept classes, class 6 to 12 CBSE board, going to start from Monday onward, of this Monday. So I hope that there will be advantage of all subjects: physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics and English. Interested students, you can contact and visit to my nearest branch near Manyur Kasiramji Inter College, Jaunpur. Thank you. That's all.